This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Shakira Rawl. Welcome to your ultimate poolside paradise. This beautifully updated 3-bed, 3-bath single-family gem on a corner lot offers a seamless blend of comfort and style. The open floor plan seamlessly connects the living area, kitchen, and dining space, creating an ideal setting for both relaxation and entertaining. The entire home has been thoughtfully updated, ensuring a contemporary and comfortable living experience. One of the standout features of this home is the sparkling solar heated pool, which offers a serene spot for morning swims and evening dips. A separate, generously sized guest room provides the perfect space for visitors. Centrally located convenience, complemented by a huge yard and an amazing patio for those unforgettable get-togethers and BBQs. Your dream pool home awaits. For more information, review the details below.